Hi, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can use this template to design your own on a scale of 1 to 9 meme so that you can check in with your students or staff. So here is my Ted Lasso one that I made. So I did have to find 9 images of Ted Lasso showing different emotions. So you'll have to do a little bit of homework before you get started, or you could Google search the images. So I'm going to swap these out with pictures of cats. So what you need to do is just click on the image, don't delete it or anything, and then you're going to right click and go down here to replace image. Now when you click on replace image, you have different options. You can upload the image from your computer if you have that image saved. You can search the web. You can go to your drive if you have a picture of, if you have some pictures on your drive. Or by photo or by URL, or if you have a camera like I do on my computer, you could just show different emotions on your face and make on a scale of 1 to 9 with your own face. Now I'm not going to do that. So the first one, I'm just going to go to search the web. So I have happy cat, and oh, look at that cat, so cute. So here I'm going to click on that, so you can double click, or you can just click once and then choose replace. I'm going to double click, and notice it automatically resizes the picture to fit that space. So I'm going to grab another one, and I actually have a picture of my cat, and here's crazy cat eyes Rufus. So automatically, so that's my cat. And then we'll do another one. So replace image. I'm going to search the web and say, aw, sad cat. I'll take that one. Boop. And then you can keep going and add more images. When you are all done, you're going to want to go over here to File and then Download. I always choose PNG. So download as a PNG, and then you're going to save it to your desktop, and now it's an image that you can bring into your Google form when you create your check-in. All right, have a great day.